I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled young ginger. First, choose fresh young ginger with smooth, thin skin. Wash it thoroughly, then gently peel the skin using a spoon or peeler. Slice the ginger into very thin, uniform pieces, about 1/16 of an inch thick. Place the slices in a bowl, sprinkle with a half teaspoon of salt, and let them sit for 30 minutes to draw out excess moisture. Next, bring a small pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully add the salted ginger slices to the boiling water. Blanch them for just 30 seconds. This helps reduce the ginger's pungency. Immediately drain the ginger in a colander. Rinse it quickly under cold water to stop the cooking process. Then pat the slices completely dry with paper towels to remove all surface moisture. Now let's prepare the pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Do not boil the brine. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the brine to cool down to room temperature. This step is crucial for optimal flavor. Finally, it's time to pickle your ginger. Tightly pack the dried ginger slices into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Pour the completely cooled pickling brine over the ginger, ensuring all the slices are fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly with a lid. Store the pickled ginger in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours before enjoying. It will keep well for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.